right, hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. It is April 2025. I'm getting ready to defog the boat motor. I already got my batteries in, tested my electronics. I need to hook up the boat, burn that fogging oil out, check the spark plugs, and hopefully this thing fires right up. So stand by. What's up, Ben? Ben making a little cameo. Alright, first thing I gotta do is take the cowl off. This is the fogging oil I used last year. And these are the plugs that I use. So I'm not gonna put new plugs into it until after I defog it here and then take it out on the water once. I think the old plugs will work. For whatever reason, I keep saving my old plugs, so it looks like I got enough to do 6 new ones. There's only 3 in here. And Finn needs to stay out of the way. Get back. There comes the wind. This is a 60 horse, and its maximum speed is about 40 miles an hour. I don't really go that fast though, often. Get a look at it. Looks like I got half oil, which I'm not going to put any oil in. It's a clean motor. I think it's a 2000 or 2001. And I've had it for, I don't know, 6-7 years. These are the muffs that I have to hook up to the lower unit. I checked my lower unit oil before I stored it and it was fine. So some guys change that every year. I don't change it every year. I just check it. Probably change it every other year. But so that's what we got going on. We'll put these earmuffs on. I don't know what that term is, correct term, but that's what we're going to call it. I just got a new pressure tank for my well system, so hopefully these don't blow off, because my old tank was jacked. Voila. So that's on. I'm gonna go turn the water on and then come back, fire this baby up. Those are loose. I gotta tighten these up. Spider on my boat. First thing I need to do is prime the motor. Get some fuel in there. like a kitten. What I didn't capture on video is this motor you have to prime by pushing that bulb, and then the choke is on the ignition right here. You just push it in. She's idling right now. I did also top the engine oil off with this. My problem with this is this seal on the oil right here sometimes leaks, and I can't find a replacement. I've looked all over the place. So if I don't run it completely full, it doesn't leak out that much. It's just a little bit, but it's enough to annoy you. The 2-cycle, this is a tracker, 60 horse, and it runs like a charm. Peace out.